So it's 48 hours in Lagos, and I'll say it has been quite an explosive experience for me. A PH boy, I've never been to Lagos, so it's quite an experience. So first off, this video is sponsored by Arrow House Studios. At Arrow House Studios, we record your podcast videos, your product reviews, basically whatever thing cinematography related, we can do that for you here. Links to the social media platforms of the studio, it's in the description. And if you want a tour of the studio, just drop a comment, you know, in the comment section below. First off, can I say this? Port Harcourt people, come closer. Getting into Lagos, I saw that it's quite an experience. It's different from the atmosphere of Port Harcourt. I've lived all my life in PH, and like there are two new words I've learned in 48 hours. One, body, and don't worry, I'll not give you the meaning yet. Not yet. Maybe in the next video, let me title that Lagos for Dummies. I think that's a good title. So that name has been used on me by my guys here over here. Kunle, shout out to you. And the second one is Dambana. Am I right? I think Dambana. That means, don't worry, I will not tell you yet. Don't rush life. It's not supposed to be. Life is not Indomie. Don't rush it. So let's say in the next video, I'll be saying a lot of things. By that time, I might have learned some new words which the guys here will teach me, and gotten some new experience. So thank you, Arrow House Studios, for this video, and see you in the next one. Stay safe, guys. Peace.